Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dushina. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is West Asia airspace situation. Indian carriers plan 50 flights. The Ministry of Civil Aviation is closely monitoring the evolving situation in the West Asia affecting air travel between India and the West Asia region. Airlines are undertaking necessary operational adjustments in view of the prevailing conditions to ensure passenger safety and orderly conduct of flight operations. Passenger movement data for 7th March 2026 shows that a total of 51 inbound flights operated by Indian carriers arrived in India from the region carrying 8,175 passengers. For 8th March 2026, Indian carriers Air India Express, Indigo, SpiceJet and Akasa have planned 49 inbound flights from airports in the region such as Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Muscat and Jeddah subject to operational feasibility and prevailing conditions. As per the current status, Indian carriers are planning 50 flights for 9th March 2026. Moreover, Indian carriers are continuously assessing the ground situation in other airports of the region so that more flights can be operated by Indian carriers from these places. The ministry remains in constant coordination with airlines and other stakeholders. Airfarers are also being closely monitored to ensure that ticket prices remain reasonable and that there is no undue surge during this period. Passengers are advised to stay in touch with their respective airlines for the latest updates regarding flight schedules. The ministry will continue to monitor the situation closely and issue further updates as necessary. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.